Revolutionizing agriculture, Mahindra CNG Tractor, brief overview of Mahindra's breakthrough CNG Tractor, emphasize Mahindra's leadership in the tractor market. Unveiling at Agrovision, launch at Agrovision Expo, mention the prestigious presence of Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, highlight the significance of the CNG Tractor's introduction. Environmental impact, environmental friendliness, key point, 70% reduction in emissions compared to diesel tractors. Emphasize the tractor's contribution to pollution reduction. Operational efficiency, operational advantages, key point, 45-litre cylinder capacity, allowing up to 200 refuelings. Note the storage capacity of up to 24 kilograms of gas. Cost savings, economic benefits, key point, estimated savings of 100 rupees per hour of operation, highlight the cost-effectiveness of CNG tractor usage. Durability and reliability, engine performance, key point, engine durability surpasses traditional diesel engines, mention superior emission control capabilities. Technological advancements, technological prowess, highlight Mahindra's focus on innovation and technology. Note the advancements incorporated into the CNG tractor design. Impact on agriculture, transforming agriculture. Emphasize how the CNG tractor provides farmers with a modern and sustainable option. Discuss the potential reduction in operational costs and environmental impact.